Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. Writing a research paper is a very time-taking and confusing task for a young researcher. It takes a lot of time to find the related literature, organizing that literature, finding the literature that is connecting with your research gap, and then explaining the results and writing a discussion on that. In this video, I'm going to elaborate the step-by-step process of writing any kind of a research paper and how you can make this process fast and perfect with the help of AI tools. We are going to use a study bundle, a powerful set of AI tools including Yanni Mythos and Net Sideshore and GT0 that will help you to research smarter, write faster, and finish your paper with confidence. So here is the plan. I will take you step by step along with the process and will introduce you the tool of this bundle, which is going to help you to gather literature, to write the sources, and help you to writing, citing, and polishing your paper without wasting time. Very first step in research paper writing is to capture and gather the related literature and extract the information. Literature collection: you have to go for the traditional data sources including Google Scholar. Here you can put the filters of your own choices. Searching against your query will help you to find all the papers with or without PDF. For first up, we have Not. This tool is like your research library. You can save PDF, web pages, and research papers all in one place. You can highlight important texts, add notes, and even organize everything with folders and tags. The best part is Not will organize a quick summary of your document to dig into the dozen of papers at one time. So when you gather all the literature, make your library in Not and take the notes and extract the important information you want to include in your research paper. After collecting the information, now you have to move toward the finalization of the topic of your paper and to find a gap from the literature and to link the literature with that gap. So once you have done with the literature gathering, now you have to move towards the finalization of your topic and to write about it. Yanni helps you to brainstorm ideas, find research gap, and explore subtopics. It even suggests keywords you can use for database search. These steps make you sure you choose a topic that's not only interesting but also researchable. Then in the drafting and outlining step, you can again use Donnie because Yanni can help you to generate detailed outline for your paper, and you can generate the outline chapter-wise including introduction, body section, and conclusion. Yanni can also generate some sample paragraphs for you like literature and discussion part. This way you are never stuck with a writing block. You always have a strong starting point to build from, and you can extend it by using Yanni AI writing feature. And if you are writing paper on maths and data, then Mythos AI is going to help you to solve all your math and data problem while staying in the same AI tools bundle. It can help with calculation, data analysis, and even with interpreting the results. If your data involves numbers, then Math AI is definitely going to help you to solve complex math questions, math problems in a place. Next step is the citation, and for that purpose you have to again need a tool which can make your citation process quick and easy, and on a single click you will be able to change the citation and references of your paper. And here you can use a slideshow. Just putting your detail in the slideshow, you can generate any style of references and citation including APA, Chicago, MLA, or anyone which required according to your paper requirement, and you can achieve this citation style just in a single click. Reference management: you can go for Xero or Mendeley. Both of these tools are available freely, and you can make your reference library in a single click just by integrating them with your MS Word file. When you write with the help of AI tools, or even you are using in some parts of your AI tools, AI detection in your document is a major challenge. With GPT-0, not only you can check the AI of your document, it will also suggest you to polish your document and make it more academic. And luckily GPT-0 advanced version is also included in this bundle. This tool checks for originality so you can be confident your paper is authentic. It can also highlight areas where your writing could be clearer or more academic. So if you buy all these tools on a yearly plan, it will cost more than $1,300 per year. But with this bundle, you can avail it in almost $140 per year, and you can benefit unlimited use of all these AI tools, which are backbone for writing any academic document. You can access this study bundle from the link which is available in description. And if you need any assistance, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.